The Sentinel 100X is a compact 9-foot, 6-inch kayak built for the recreational paddler looking for stability and a comfortable seating system with a total weight capacity of 275 pounds. This kayak offers molded footrests, which make it easy to change your foot position as you paddle along. It makes it super easy for different friends or family to jump in and go. An anti-slip carpet provides a soft place for your feet and is a great spot to put your furry friends. Our new Ergo Lounge seating system provides an extra thick cushioning and an adjustable extra high and wide backrest. For a compact kayak, it offers a lot of storage space. There's a front storage platform and a spacious rear tank well, both equipped with bungee cords. The Sentinel 100X comes with our new ExoShell 13-liter removable storage compartment, the perfect accessory that allows you to pack your gear at home for quick loading once you get waterside. There is a quick access hatch located near the base of the case that you can reach while paddling. The Sentinel 100X also comes equipped with a molded-in bottle holder, 2 paddle tie-downs, and convenient carry handles. The Sentinel 100X is made with our patented Ram-X material, an exceptionally durable, triple-layer, high molecular weight polyethylene, which creates a strong yet conveniently lightweight kayak that comes with a limited lifetime warranty on both the deck and hull. Weighing only 42 pounds makes this kayak easy to carry and store. During manufacturing, we add additional flotation in the form of foam blocks inside the kayak to ensure paddler safety. Made for those who want to bring along their furry companions or are just looking for a comfortable, easy-to-use sit-on-top, the Sentinel 100X will help you create the stories you want to live.
Introducing the newest member of the Pescador family of fishing kayaks, the Pescador Pilot. The Pescador Pilot is an affordable sit-on-top, packed to the gills with fishing features, and complete with the Pilot Drive pedal system. The optimized gear ratio in the Pilot Drive allows for effortless, all-day hands-free cruising, so you can keep your lure in the water longer. The quick key system makes it easy to engage and disengage the drive quickly to zero draft, making launching and docking a breeze, while the custom-designed turbo flaps reduce noise and keep turbulence to a minimum. Forward and reverse motion paired with easy grip, low-profile rudder steering control allows for a super tight turn radius, offering all-around maneuverability in those hard-to-reach places. A recess in the hull stores the lightweight drive while not in use, and the center scupper lid allows for easy transportation and storage. In addition to the drive system, the Pescador Pilot has all the fishing features a serious angler could want, including a stadium-style comfort-focused captain's chair with on-the-fly adjustability to fit a range of heights. Bow storage pods with the transducer scupper provide a secure place for gear and electronics. Pre-installed inserts for transducer mounting and precisely placed inlet outlets for direct wiring to the transducer scupper and display make electronic install a breeze. The Pescador Pilot also comes loaded with 2 Yak Attack gear tracks with easy mounting points for all accessories, a cup holder, 4 molded-in rod holders, as well as bow and stern tank wells for ample, easy-to-reach storage. The best feature of all, a price that propels the Pescador Pilot into a class of its own.
The Journey Series sit-on-top fishing kayaks have everything an angler needs for a relaxing day on the water. The hull design provides maximum stability and performance. The Sundolphin Journey is ideal for lakes, rivers, and streams. Lightweight and easy to carry, the Journey will get you to your favorite fishing spot. Available in both 10 and 12-foot models, the Journey offers many features and benefits to enhance your fishing experience, including protective thigh pads for your total convenience. Paddle holder keeps paddles secured to kayak. Adjustable padded seat for your paddling comfort. Swivel rod holder conveniently located and locks fishing rod in place. 2 flush mount holders for when you want multiple fishing rods. Adjustable foot braces to accommodate all paddlers. Storage compartment with shock cord deck rigging for all your extra fishing gear. Removable portable accessory carrier for extra storage. Spacious storage area with shock cord deck rigging gives ample room for your accessories. Easy access compartment for smaller belongings. Retractable carrying handles for ease of transportation. Large open cockpit allows the easiest of entry. Made from durable, dent-resistant, high-density polyethylene that will last for many years and comes with a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. With all these exceptional features, the Journey Series kayaks offer great performance and versatility. The Journey Sit on Top fishing kayaks are durable, stable, and ideal for your next fishing adventure.